welcome back to our channel. It's just me today again. I'm doing a comparison between this slime and my making of the slime. But I'm using the same thing, the two colorings, these glitters, but I'm using two new glues, detergent and baking soda. So I'm just gonna get started. First, glue. It comes out so slow though. I'm not gonna have time for this. You know what? Freestyle. Oh boy. Oh, I did not want to put that much, but okay. There. Stop dripping. Bad glue. There we go. So I'm gonna start with purple first. One, two, three. Hopefully that'll be enough. I'm hoping fully. Beautiful color. But it's turning pink, not purple. Oh no! This is bad. Oh my bad. You did not see anything. I meant to do that. Yeah, I really did. I really did meant to. Don't even put down in the comments that I did that by accident, because I did it. I know, I'm a professional. Really am. Come on, just get to purple. Please, please, it begs. Alright, I think I like it. Then put some of my glitters. Not too much, because I don't want it sticking like my last video. You know, sticking all over my hands. Oops. There we go. That looks nice enough. Just one more drop of colorants, and then we're on to go with our detergent and baking soda. So detergent is like an activator or like borax that works with our slime, and the baking soda adds more consistency to our slime. So let's just pour a little bit. Here, that should be enough. And let's mix our dewies. Mix, mix, mix. Mixing all up. Mix, mix. Mix, mix. There. Then I'm gonna add some baking soda. Take my spoon. Add some baking soda. Try not to make a mess, or my mom's gonna get mad. It's a lot of baking soda. See, it's kind of working. So you need to eyeball it to make it really good. So then let me just add a teeny bit more of this detergent.
Doesn't matter what detergent you're using.
OxyCleans.
But you tried with different kinds, right? And it's fine, right?
Tide
Right.
OxyClean should work. See, look at that. Working perfectly. Just need to work with it. See it getting theirs. It's getting theirs. It cleaned my bowl. Well, let me just get a little bit more of them. Cause I didn't want them left behind. Cause that's not nice. And I'm trying to be nice. See, there you go.
I don't see glitter.
Too bad.
You should try
It may be a little sticky at the first time, but when you work more with it, it does not become sticky. It becomes really nice and fluffy-ish. Look at that. Yeah, you never seen it before. Nice, beautiful slime. Not like this one. Ew. Yeah. I still kind of like it though. So here we go. our first slime. So cool. Yeah, I'm cool. I'm cool. Okay, let's just line that part out. So I'll put it over there. Now, get the rest here. Take it off so I can make my blue slime and mix it together to make that hurt. Now let's open up my blue. Hopefully that can be a bad boy again. Yeah, part time. That's too much. Okay, I did that on purpose. Glue, you ain't being bad. It's your mommy being bad. So let's add this blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 4 on purpose. Yeah. That 4 drop was literally what I expected it to be.
Sure.
I'm not making no. That was so offending. Some more. 1, 2. Nope. That was on purpose. Mixing is not being dark. Why not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think that was 10. And it's still light. So I finally got the blue I want with my extra drops that weren't by accident. Then I'll put some of these glitters. And I don't care if you can't see them. Because I don't want them sticking to my hands.
I want to see glitters.
But I don't.
Come on, don't be mean. Ooh.
Ooh. It's going to stick to my hand. Just watch it.
Maybe it's too blue, that's why you can't see the glitter.
It's perfect. I like it.
Alright.
Now let's squeeze in some of the detergents. Hopefully this detergent don't be bad. Like them glues. Cause that was very good.
Right.
To add now with some baking soda. That's good. Now let's mix. This glue does not smell good. So now, great mix. Now this thing is giving me some problems. Got it. There, that's good enough. Let's go with my hands. Make it non-sticky. There we go. So a little sticky, but really stretchy and nice. Here, the professional. Yeah, get the camera in my face. The professional. Now, I take my other slimes. I meant to do that.
Let me help you.
Oh no. Okay. Then let's mix together and let's see if it turned out galaxy. Because I'm the professional. Don't get the camera up in my face again.
Stop bragging.
I love it. Look at that beautiful color. Just look at it. Yeah,
Okay.
bare them eyes. Also bit of glitters in there, but too beautiful to even see them. I'm not trying to brag too much. Yeah. Yeah. So there we go. A galaxy slime between this slime from the Slimygloop pack. Oops, meant to do that.
All right.
So that's it for my video of the other Slimygloop and between my beautiful galaxy slime. Put down in the comments what do you think is better. My professional. Put down in the comments who has the best slime. My beautiful construction slime. Yeah. Subscribe, press that bell notification, and watch me again with my more professional slimes. See my face?
Professional.
Yep. Alright.
Hold up.
This is too long for my arms. Oh no! Too much glitters! That's a weird sound. I don't think it did nothing.